As this year comes to an end, we want to say thank you to all of our customers, viewers, and hog control operators who follow and support our whole sounder approach. Across North America, JAGER PRO systems are put to work daily by landowners, farmers, ranchers, and wildlife managers who choose the strategy of a science-based process over guesswork. And your results have been record-setting. You reported hundreds of thousands of feral pigs removed this year to protect agricultural crops, soil, water, and native wildlife. Let's look at some of your captures from 2025. We enjoy seeing the daily photos, videos, and success stories from JAGER PRO customers across the country. Your field results demonstrate what happens when the right product and process is combined with a specialized training and a whole sounder system to follow. A proven system built on a science-based approach and peer-reviewed harvest data, then refined through 2 decades of field experience. Your commitment to following the system is what makes these results possible. Behind your results is a dedicated team of engineers, educators, and a customer service staff working every day to ensure your M.I.N.E trapping system is supported by subject matter experts. As we look ahead to the new year, our focus remains the same: innovate new technology, educate operators, and lead the way in documenting whole sounder hog control. Thank you for trusting JAGER PRO. Thank you for being part of this community. And thank you for sending us another year of whole sounder results. From all of us at JAGER PRO, here's to your continued success in the year ahead.